Judging by the title of this video, you probably know what happened. About 2 days ago, I wrecked the SI. Or the SI got wrecked. Really, the SI got wrecked. And, I don't know, man. I'm sad. I'm okay. I'm physically okay. And that's... First thing I should say is that I'm very grateful. Feels like God was definitely looking over my shoulder and made it a very safe crash. No injury, just a little bit of a sore neck and shoulder. So, could have been a lot worse. And so I'm grateful for that. And I'm also grateful for my family who came. My mom and dad came right away to come help out, as well as Hoppy and Carrie, who came to the rescue as well. And I'm thankful for you guys because, well, I had the camera on, not during the crash, but I had the camera on me. And it felt in a way like I had you guys there. And look, when you crash a car that you work on a lot and you care about, it hits way different because it's not just a car that you bought, it's a car that you worked on. It's a car that you tuned and you changed and you, not tune the engine, but you adjust the suspension. I'm not fronting but you guys know what I mean. You modify it. You make adjustments to make the car act and behave the way you want it to act and behave and look the way you want to look. And for me, it becomes kind of an expression of yourself. And to see that wrapped around a tree it's a pretty difficult thing. And to kind of have you guys with me definitely made it a lot easier. And I just thank you guys for that because I know because of you guys and because of your support that we'll be able to come back from this. And honestly, I tried to keep the whole thing a little bit under wraps. I did post something on my personal Instagram, but a few of my Twitch buddies, moderators, and close friends from Twitch know of my personal Instagram, and so it sort of leaked out. And I had a few of you guys reach out and say, hey, I heard about your car, and just know to have you guys there as well as my family that I have here in real life. You guys are awesome, and thank you for being there. Like I said, I was vlogging. I had the camera on me, so I think I'm just gonna roll the vlog from where it would have started anyway. See you guys. Hi, I have 2 sandwiches and a drink for you. I got a ham and cheese on an Asiago bagel, bacon, egg, and cheese on a plain bagel as well. Large iced coffee, please. 2 cream, 2 sugar. That's it. Thank you. I'm good, yeah, thank you. Right, yeah, I'm good, thank you. I was following a mail truck. Let me get some of the coffee off the lens. Following a mail truck, and he slowed down. I thought he was slowing down for a mailbox on the right side, and so I just went to pass him, and unfortunately he was turning to the left into a driveway, and I got beamed, man. I got kind of spun and my car's munched. So I just took a minute to compose myself, and I'm gonna check out the damage and call the insurance company and my folks. I'm about to call my mom and dad, yeah.
I'm calling the police.
Thank you, I appreciate it. It sucks, dude. Guys, she's dickered. I'm so upset. I don't even want to see the front of it. I don't know if I should even touch it or look in the engine bay until someone comes. Oh my God, I'm trying to look at the bright side, guys, but there's really not much here. All my shit's in there. It's all bashed up front. Oh, that's not good. Yep. I just ordered motor mounts for it this morning. Sorry for the foggy footage, guys. It all got covered up in coffee. So I'm gonna kill the recording and talk to this officer here. So yeah, as I said, I was coming up this way. The truck threw his yellows on, kind of clipped me around this way, and I threw my brakes on. And so this is where the truck kind of clipped me on the rear end here, and I was on my brakes, and I came in this way just trying to, not hit a rock or a tree. so I'm trying not to get
Anyone else in the car with you?
No, it's just me.
Okay. You don't hurt?
No, I'm perfectly fine, thank you.
They just want to talk to you really quick.
Yeah, sure, no worries.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm bummed.
By the time you get down here.
Alright, trunk's empty, Cal.
Yep, the whole car's empty. Yeah, I want to ask them if I can try and salvage some parts out of it when they have it in the yard, because I got my coilovers, I got the new mounts and everything, so.
Yeah, you might have to have it
Do you have
taken from
AAA?
Headers. Yeah.
So take it wherever you want, no matter where. So you can have it go home,
Oh, okay.
strip it, then they'll tow it to where, you know,
Okay.
body shop or salvage yard.
That might be the way to do
Just,
it.
you know, kind of keep that in mind. I've had that happen before.
Okay.
Does it
Transmission
have to go somewhere first with the police?
No, I guess
though?
we can take it to, should we ask, maybe we can ask them if we
I
can.
talked to the police.
Yeah.
How many flats do you know? How if all 4 are flat or?
I
just
guess
one?
the tires to be okay, to be honest with you. I think it was an impact on the nose of it.
No, the front.
They'd at least
the left
roll
front's
on.
dead. The left
Is
front's
it?
dead. I don't know about the right one front. We don't know, but the left front's got like chunks.
Oh yeah, oh okay, yeah, that went through some trees. Yeah, that's all done. Yeah, it's stuck on the boulder. Keep my, there's a boulder under there, guys. That's what really slowed me down. It's a boulder enhanced braking system. BEBS, BEBS.
That boulder probably saved your life.
Well guys, thank God I'm okay. Emotionally, I've put so much work into this car and I've been better, but physically I'm perfectly fine. Very thankful for that. My parents obviously love these guys, came right. The officers, the police officers, the firemen, all super helpful. It's just now we have more work to do. So bummed, but could have been worse, and I'm grateful that at the very least I'm okay, and you know, you roll with the punches. Well, backup arrived, boys.
Came to the rescue.
Well, we got the coffee off the lens here, guys. I don't know, what are we even doing? We're looking at some appraisal values and hanging out. I gotta call the insurance company when I get back home. I gotta let them know where the car is, and then I gotta go, I don't know, what's after that? Look at the car, or is it even?
Did you have traction control?
Yeah.
Did you have stability?
Yeah.
AM/FM stereo?
Yes.
Cassette?
Yes. Wait. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Tape deck?
I don't know. I'll have to look.
CD player?
Yeah. So it's looking like the car is appraising around $6,300. I'm hoping I can get a little bit more than that for some of the aftermarket parts that I had in there as well. So I gotta get all my receipts together and all of that. I also need to go to the junkyard and take a look at the car. If the motor and transmission are in good shape, I may actually try pulling them, but if it's in really bad shape, we may just be starting over, or we may try and get into something a little cheaper so we can put some of that money towards the RSX. I don't know yet, but obviously I'll keep you guys updated as the day goes on.